Good day everyone. In today's lecture, we will discuss two fundamental philosophies of maintenance. Reliability centered maintenance, commonly known as RCM, and condition based maintenance or CBM. These two approaches form the backbone of modern maintenance strategies, especially in industries like marine engineering, where reliability and safety are absolutely critical. Let us begin by understanding what each of these philosophies mean and how they are applied in real world situations. Reliability centered maintenance. Now, the philosophy of reliability centered maintenance or RCM was developed to ensure that maintenance decisions are made logically and systematically, focusing on the functions that equipment must perform rather than on the component themselves. RCM aims to achieve one major objective: to increase the probability that a machine or component will function reliably throughout its design life with minimum cost and maintenance effort. The philosophy became especially important after catastrophic industrial incidents such as the Amoco Cadiz oil spill and the Piper Alpha explosion, which highlighted the need for comprehensive and effective maintenance systems. The core concept of RCM. RCM combines multiple maintenance techniques: preventive maintenance done at scheduled intervals, predictive maintenance, and real-time monitoring performed when the equipment's condition indicates it's necessary. Run to failure, also known as reactive maintenance, and proactive maintenance, which aims to prevent failures at root cause. So, RCM is not a single method, it's an integrated philosophy that uses different maintenance approaches intelligently based on the system's reliability requirements. Key features of reliability centered maintenance. Let's now discuss the main principles that defined RCM. Focuses on the function of the system. RCM aims to preserve the function of a system rather than just its parts. For example, on a ship, if a function is critical, such as propulsion or steering, redundancy is often built in. Multiple systems may be provided to perform the same function to ensure operational safety. This aligns with the IMO ISM code paragraph 10.3, which requires companies to identify critical equipment whose sudden failure could lead to hazardous situations. These systems must be regularly tested and maintained to promote reliability. It is reliability centered. RCM focuses on statistical data, analyzing failure trends over time. It does not worry about simple, low risk failures but rather concentrates on those that could cause major disruptions, safety risk, or economic loss. It determines maintenance intervals and take and task based on failure probability and risk assessment. Acknowledges design limitation. RCM recognizes that design determines inherent reliability. Operators and maintenance staff can't change a poor design, but they can provide valuable feedback to designers for improvement. So it builds a feedback loop between maintenance and design. Driven by safety and economics. Safety always comes first in RCM, even before cost. Once safety is ensured, maintenance strategies are optimized to be cost effective. This balance makes RCM both practical and efficient. Use a logic tree for maintenance decision. RCM employs a structured logic tree, a decision making process that helps determine what kind of maintenance is necessary for each piece of equipment. Through this process, spare part requirements, inspection intervals, and task responsibilities are all clearly defined and justified. RCM is based on certain key principles. To summarize, reliability centered maintenance is based on these key ideas. The consequence of failure is more critical than the failure itself. For example, if a failure could lead to loss of life, environmental damage, or major financial loss, then the maintenance plan must eliminate the chance of such failure completely. Critical systems and components must have planned maintenance tasks that reduce the probability of unanticipated failures to almost zero. When design maintenance plans, the total failure cost, including downtime, labor, and material cost, must be compared to the planned maintenance cost and the cheaper, safer option must be selected. RCM involves a structured process of thinking about equipment and system behavior. Regular analysis and verification of protection systems such as alarms, shutdown systems, and emergency backup is a vital part of RCM. To apply RCM effectively, we ask a logical series of questions. What is the function of the equipment or system? What can cause it to fail to perform this function? What happens when each type of failure occurs? What are the consequences of each failure? How can each failure be predicted or prevented? And finally, what action should we take if a proactive task cannot be identified? Condition based maintenance. Now let's move to the second philosophy, condition based maintenance or CBM. Unlike RCM, CBM is somewhat less comprehensive. It focuses mainly on monitoring the condition of running machinery. In CBM, we regularly measure significant parameters such as vibration levels, temperature, pressure, oil analysis results, and so on. These measurements are recorded periodically. When plotted together, they form a trend, showing how the equipment is deteriorating over time. Once these trends indicate that the condition has reached an unacceptable limit, maintenance action is scheduled. Advantages of CBM. The biggest advantage of CBM is that it gives advance warning of failure. It allows the operator to plan repairs in advance, order spares ahead of time, arrange of skilled manpower, and schedule downtime efficiently. This means maintenance can be done only when necessary, not too early and not too late. Comparison between RCM and CBM. To summarize the difference, RCM is a comprehensive philosophy that integrates multiple maintenance types based on reliability and consequence of failure. CBM, on the other hand, is data driven. It focuses on the condition of the equipment to decide when maintenance is required. In essence, RCM determines what maintenance to do while CBM helps determine when to do it. So, to conclude today's lecture, both reliability centered maintenance and condition based maintenance are essential maintenance philosophies that help engineers achieve maximum equipment uptime, safety, and cost effectiveness. In marine engineering, where machinery operates continuously under demanding conditions, understanding and applying these philosophies correctly ensures safe and efficient ship operation. Thank you for listening. In our next session, we will look into important aspects of preventive maintenance strategies.